Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning podcast, Talk Easy American English. I'm Jessica, your English teacher.
And I'm Jack, your learner friend. Hello, everyone.
Hi, Jack. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How are you, Jessica?
I'm great. And today, we are going to learn something very useful.
Oh, what is it?
We'll learn how to introduce yourself in English, naturally and confidently.
Wow, that's important. Everyone needs to introduce themselves.
Exactly. So let's start step by step. First, we start with the greeting, a way to say hello. The most common greetings are hello, hi, and hey.
Oh, so I can say hello or hi to anyone?
Yes, that's right. Hello sounds polite, hi is friendly, and hey is very casual.
Okay, I got it. Hello, hi, hey.
Great job, Jack. Now let's practice. I'll say it first, then you repeat. Hello,
Hello,
hi,
hi,
hey.
hey.
Perfect. Good pronunciation, Jack.
Thank you.
Now, dear listener, your turn. Can you say hello? Good. Now say hi. Excellent. After the greeting, we say our name. The easiest way is I'm your name. For example, I'm Jessica.
So I can say, I'm Jack.
Exactly. You can also say, my name is Jack. Or, this is Jack, if you're on the phone or introducing yourself to a group.
Oh, okay. So there are three ways. I'm Jack. My name is Jack. This is Jack.
Excellent, Jack. You remembered all three. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I'm Jessica.
I'm Jack.
My name is Jessica.
My name is Jack.
This is Jessica.
This is Jack.
Very good. Now, dear listener, your turn. Say, I'm your name. Now say, my name is your name. Great job. You sound wonderful. After you say your name, you can share a few simple details, like where you're from or what you do.
Like, I'm from America, or I'm a student.
Exactly, Jack. Very good examples. So let's try some full introductions. Hi, I'm Jessica. I'm from the United States. I'm an English teacher.
Hi, I'm Jack. I'm from America. I'm a student.
Perfect. That sounds very natural. Let's help our listeners make their own sentence. Dear listener, can you try? Say, hi, I'm blank. I'm from blank. I'm a blank. Wonderful. Keep practicing this every day. After you introduce yourself, it's nice to ask about the other person.
Oh, like, what's your name?
Yes, perfect. You can also say, where are you from? Or what do you do?
So a full conversation can be, hi, I'm Jack. What's your name?
Exactly. And then the other person says, hi, I'm Jessica.
So simple and friendly.
Yes, that's the goal. Keep it simple, warm, and natural. Let's practice together, okay? I'll be Jessica and you be you. Hi, I'm Jessica. What's your name? Good. Now you say, I'm, and then say, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Jessica.
Nice to meet you too, Jack. After you introduce yourself, it's polite to end with something nice like, nice to meet you. Glad to meet you. Or, it's good to meet you.
So I can say, nice to meet you, Jessica.
Perfect. And I can say, Nice to meet you, Jack. Let's have our listener try that too. Say, nice to meet you. Good. Now say, it's good to meet you. Excellent! Okay, friends, let's review what we learned today.
Yes, let's do it.
Step 1, greeting. Hello, hi, hey.
Step 2, name. I'm Jack. My name is Jack.
Step 3, details. I'm from Pakistan. I'm a student.
Step 4, questions. What's your name? Where are you from?
Step 5, ending politely. Nice to meet you.
Wow, that was fun and easy.
You did great, Jack, and so did you, our listener.
Yes, keep practicing your introduction every day.
That's right. Remember, practice makes you confident.
Thank you, Jessica.
Thank you, Jack, and thank you everyone for listening to Talk Easy American English.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.